Kaiber, it helps people who don't have money to get out and, just spend money on a team. I'm gonna be completely honest, like as far as like comic book stuff, nothing like, but as far as stuff like my TCG trading card, it's gonna be used in my, my trading card business. But as far as the comic book, I have to say I would like to keep that out because I would like everything to be from my head and not from the AI. When you use the AI, you take that away from you actually when it comes down to like building a character. When people build a character, like when you build a character, you want to build a character from your heart. Somebody you know, somebody be familiarized with. If you let the AI do it, you take that part away because then they're like, well, how much do you really know of this character? You can always say, well, the AI thought of everything, like every little detail, like say when somebody asks you about, say, flame flower, and they can pick any piece of flame flower and they can say like, well, why did you create that outfit? And I can give them a reason why I picked that outfit. And when you do the AI, like when you pick the AI, you can't really give that genuine response like, I'm the one who picked that outfit. But like I said, the AI is there for more of a assistance, and I think it's the most amazing assistant that you can have because the AI, it can do it very well. It can draw like all those little forest pictures, like I said, like stuff like that. Just remember when you use the AI, it's easy to use, so you can, you can get sucked into it and lose the most valuable thing about making a character, about drawing, and that is actually the feeling that you get when you draw and the reason behind you making that drawing. I really do love this AI as far as me starting my business. It's really helping me out with that a lot. And I can't thank you enough for telling me about that website because this is actually an amazing website and it really takes a lot of stress off of me that I can depend on. I'm not just depending on me no more. Like I know that this AI can get it done.